How to crossplay Overcooked 2, Steam and Epic Games. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's get right into this tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch your Steam application in your preferred device. You can get access to your Steam application, but you won't be getting this feature on your Steam website. So all you have to do is tap on Add a Game and select Add a non-Steam game. In here, you need to search for Epic Game Launcher. You have to install Epic Game Launcher to do so that you can crossplay between Steam and Epic Games. So yes, you'll be needing both the application of Epic Games and your Steam, as this feature is not available for the designated website of it. Once you have successfully added the game into your Steam, now you'll be able to easily crossplay between them. And don't worry, it will not hamper any of your data or progress. It should be a quick and easy process. However, if you face any of the difficulty regarding it, check out the help and support. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.